So it's a 8-year-old case. 2017, this adult named Barry Myers was driving down the road going back to his daughter's house. A drunk driver plowed into his vehicle, flipping his car over. He broke his neck. He was in the hospital. He had a serious brain injury. He had over $400,000 in medical bills. The drunk driver had a small insurance policy to cover some of Barry's medical bills, but the bar was very much responsible. We had evidence that he drank between 17 to 19 drinks. We had evidence that the bartender said they shouldn't have served him the amount of drinks they did. But we didn't have any evidence that it was apparent to the bar at the time of the incident that he was obviously intoxicated. So going back to the system, Governor Abbott appointed a Republican judge for a short period of time to serve in Dallas until the next election campaign. And so the defense filed what's called a motion for summary judgment. It's just to dismiss the case. And this judge right away ruled in their favor just because she's Republican. It goes to the Court of Appeals. The Court of Appeals reverses the lower court's decision, and then it goes to the Supreme Court. And the Supreme Court is made up of country club folk, no color, all Republicans, all pro-business. And there's nothing against, I'm not saying this to be against Republicans or against Democrats or pro-Democrat. It's just the way it is. And so the insurance industry has a stranglehold on what they're trying to do in this state. And so the Supreme Court basically said there's not enough evidence to have this go to trial. And that's not the standard. The standard is there evidence? And if there's evidence, it should be decided by the jury. The jury are the fact finders. The judge in the Supreme Court interprets the law. They don't interpret the facts. So this was the most disheartening case because I could see how the system is oppressing poor people. I can see how the system is siding with insurance because they're getting paid so much money and pressured to rule certain ways. So this was 8 years of working hard to get this family justice, and just to see the system turn it around and wipe out your case, which was very disheartening for us.